So it is false. And then I run power flow. So you see the voltage has gone really down, right? Because, and it is even lower than when it was 100 kVAr, which is expected. At 100 kVAr, it was 0.96. And now the capacitor is switched off totally, right? So the voltage has gone really down. So this is an example about how you can use MATLAB and have an interface with OpenDSS, where you have all the distribution models done in OpenDSS, and you run a distributed or centralized or local approach in MATLAB and interface with OpenDSS. So OpenDSS will give you real measurements. Then your algorithm will try to solve that voltage issue, power issue, whatever there is, and then you can actuate that on OpenDSS and check its, whether it actually worked or not. Whatever you wanted to achieve, did you achieve or not, right? So this is an example with regulators and capacitors, but you can do with DRs as well, right? Suppose there is a PV system in a particular node. Suppose there's a battery system in a particular node. You can have the whole battery management system algorithm done in MATLAB or Python. And then you say that run OpenDSS. OpenDSS gives you battery voltages, right? At the PCC end or wherever you want to. And then based on that voltage, your battery management system algorithm will run, and then it will give a certain set point. Now you can give that set point back to OpenDSS and check whatever problem you had earlier, whether it is solved or not. So this is a very simple example, but obviously you can find a lot more in the discussion and all of that. So I think I can stop here, and I'll um, take a look at the questions. So to answer to Shantan's question is that you can do the whole time series load flow. Just search in discussions, and you can find a lot of threads. Or if you're if you're specifically working on this and you can't find any answers, you can just create an account in SourceForge and put it through, and there are a lot of developers who have definitely they can help you. um, and I don't have the particular that mode of code with me right now, but I can definitely look into if you can. Can we integrate EVs in OpenDSS for 13 bus system? Now, because I've been working OpenDSS for some time, I know that they have PV models, battery models, and all of that. Because EVs are pretty new, I'm not very sure if EVs are there, but you can definitely check. There will be some EV models in OpenDSS, definitely. But if you can't find, probably then you have to model it yourself, um, like in terms of, if you want to represent that as a zip model or whatever it is. But I think you can find it. You can just look into discussion. Can we perform state estimation using OpenDSS? OpenDSS is that I have to check if OpenDSS does state estimation. But OpenDSS, as for what I've used, I've used OpenDSS for power flow studies. Okay, and state estimation involves taking the measurements and then running an estimator algorithm inside. Now, if OpenDSS doesn't have an option to do state estimation, like as a button or something that you have different softwares, then you can't do. Then you have to write your own algorithm, right? But whether it can do states, I have never used OpenDSS for state estimation, and OpenDSS is not probably the most expert software to do state estimation. So, but you can take a look and you can put in the discussions if that is something that you want. Okay, I think we are a little bit late, but that's fine. Yeah, I think you're muted. I can't hear you. I think you want to say something, but you're muted.
Okay. Hmm. I think in the third, I can't see any more questions. Maybe if participants have some questions, then ask maybe.
Okay, sure.
Uh, I think there is no more questions. So thank you, Dr. Nilay, for your wonderful lectures on the OpenDSS. I think participants have understand about the OpenDSS and get insight into how to model the distribution systems in OpenDSS. And thank you all the participants for participating in the today's Gyan course. And I think yeah, that's enough. I guess maybe we can meet tomorrow. I think
Yeah,
tomorrow.
I think
Uh,
yeah. Tomorrow we have Cosmos probably.
okay.
So
Uh,
it's a very
Dr.
different
Cosmos
topic.
will be doing in maybe of this one, NS3 or something. Cyber security, I guess, or maybe we can. I think we have shared the program schedule in the WhatsApp group as well.